Hey friends, it's Dr. John DeGarmo with the Foster Care Institute Tip of the Week. Recently I was asked this, Dr. John, the children who are placed in my home from foster care have returned back to their birth parents. The birth parents are continuing to ask us if we could care for the children on a number of weekends. If we do this, are we empowering the birth parents? It was a great question, and here is my response. The tip of the week, if you will. Don't think of it as empowering the birth parents. When a child from foster care returns back to the birth parents or biological family members, it's important that you remain in the child's life if you can. Because in this particular situation, if the children should come back to you on weekend visits, again, you're not empowering the birth parents. What you're doing is you're helping the children learn the importance of healthy relationships. They're coming back to you to live with you for weekends or to visit, and that helps with issues of attachment and trust. And again, there's that unconditional love as well. Maybe the birth parents are asking you as a foster parent to care for the children when they go back to reunification, maybe for some time in your home. They may be asking you to do so quite simply because they're not ready to care for these children full time just yet. They didn't get the help that they really needed. Maybe reunification happened a little bit too early for them and they're feeling overwhelmed. So instead of taking out on the children, they're asking for help. They're giving a smoke signal, if you will, saying, hey, please help me. So when you are bringing these children back into your home, you're not empowering the birth parents. You're helping them, giving them an opportunity to find a little bit of a break, if you will, and you're co-parenting with them. Co-parenting is so important. And keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. Perhaps the children are placed back into foster care at some point. And again, 20 to 30% of children who are reunified do come back into care. So perhaps they're coming back into care. And the birth parents may say this to the caseworker or the agency. You know what? I would love if the children could go back to the previous foster parents. They've helped so much. So again, it helps with issues of trust and attachment and healthy relationships. And of course, you're co-parenting as well. Hey, for more information, check out the book, The Foster Parenting Manual. We have a whole chapter about working with birth parents. For the Foster Care Institute, I'm Dr. John DeGarmo.